All right. So anyway, um, I like to do politics, but clean politics. Clean politics in the sense I don't like to fake myself, in politics because I prefer to be very, 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 very attentive and be very, very realistic in politics and and analyzing the political terrain. So anyway, lafta memfola wala nyenti. With all the importations means from different regions, all political parties meliye nomination okay, meliye rally hold will pay more import from different regions. Bari Adama Barrow la resources siata will pay atele more importation ke than those people. Niaje motol lebe randing koma jana. Kali jele motol lebe randing jana. Gele lebe churmaring. And even many part of it. Gele lebe churmaring bakele. So ikalo ne ko atele resources kodo men spend ning opposition party ma was spend. So itela crowd buffer zone wala nyenti. Nying. Itela buffer zone ti nying. After all, ntenga merano wala na I was waiting. Man koronto. Man hauja mba abe o mol membe round di kanka round nanka round ka nka batulala the final destination. Itela final destination nga wole batu wala nyembu fa zone ta felen dimbole jibe kanteng. Nyino itela crowd itela after UDP compare la mena ite candidly with what I've seen Independence Stadium moto ite after UDP le compare la woto ngamera de ite nyanna jibero ke kula leko ite nyanna tala le jibero ke ku nyine ite la crowd ti ne nyul selendi wo stadium wala pavilion ol kan dumata fala means football field on kono ata fala UDP for the first time in the history of the Gambia yale ite launching kejele Adama Barrow ye launching kejele Independence Stadium ye launching kejele mol yaje ko ye pavilion ol fandile santo yes but football field ima ufandi. But UDP, before zone ibe damento jang, ila Congress, ala launching, ila Congress ke janneto. Ngo ajele space ba membe la jang, ngo ajele, nyin space bal. Wolle man soto no UDP, ngo nyin space bal jele ite. Ngo ajele, nyin big gaps all, yemenul soto, ngo nyin jele. UDP ye nyul le fandi, nyin buffer zone le fandi, tap, hadama dingolla. Tap! Itela nyin nimole service menol bondije ngoy huwe jan ya janjel yajel ñul be mu space ol leti e ka fo ñine loose crowd la ñinta loose tale people can walk freely ngajel so lafita yewole understand nyajel loose crowd le be bulu this is a loose crowd ngajel ku yemol jele jang yana jandron you see loose crowd la ñinti people can walk freely within few meters yajel Allah ubabe dame. You see, yenajang. Yajel mulka work le free le adiate nyame. UDP ta wole man possible no. Wotole compactness of a crowd is very important. Ngajel niba crowd competition olla. Mbabe analyze le ya understand memwe la problem oti. Ngajel mulka walk in freely. You see? Yajel. Ngajel alto le dame. You see just behind. Nyinka yitandi nyato ngajel jang compactale. But haniwo you see ika muljel ngajel. People are moving. Amawo compact bake. Nyato jam melbi jam. Ikalo ne wolle na kita nyobala. Wolle compact. Bari jang ye in space ba membeje. Altol ka membe create. Nko yajel. Nyine man soto no UDP la mitinto. UDP rimbango boy janne foloto. Bufa zonoto. Independence Stadium o yela launching keje. UDP. Alba foko yeta Independence Stadium o fandi. Bari biri tata je. Ye menke je. On Monday, on the 1st, bring Gambia Chinese Oleo Stadium o low. Ya di mola ye molso o stadium ola for free. And then a man sort of political party wala no event. Event carry neneman ke Gambia. May o stadium o funded to that capacity. It has never happened. The Independence Stadium been filled in such a capacity or in such a manner? By what? Crowd of human beings. So lafitale ya understand ko ila nyin crowd kono niye dindi mesengol bondije melman qualify civil savano dolbe feje wolta vote le ye na policeol jenkendi la jam policeol ye civil savano dolbe je ye jenkendi je ya understand i balon nale ko tonya dindi mesengol ngamel fango bondi jang you know dindi mesengol bondi la crowd kono i ba understand la bag ni nata nan ite ya mera ko ibijele. Honestly, malafi any fake analysis in this politics because momo evango nene nyin crowd cool la nyin support cool in 30 days 33 days time December 4th will speak the ballot will speak there woyo koila so wala tinna fanene politico UDP call alal da bondi woto aldo ko fananke aldo ko ke aliya kafu. Because muneketa I surplus men sort of from the APRC where inflate le demanding. So wala atin na UDP call inko ya jale jang whole lebi jang. You see nka nyine for loose crowd competition o nimol bala few elements le important ta woto. Crowd la compactness wala nyinti komu jambe deterring nyameng abe deterring mol kam move fan is a problem. Loose crowd wala nyinti kam mol je nying mol felebe muri move kan free who ika space balje moment dete so wala tin crowd analysis ni bakan crowd content ning is very important me yalonko voter ning mel yalonko dindingol wala na mol ka fay dindingol pour ya understand ka hadama dingol je jurumari anin kala ka quality nyum fanan korosi akuma yata ko wol konale wala tin nambe analysis ke kay jang on your live on iAfrica TV pour isa long ya jete space ba men betu nyato yo UDP manyina soto ila crowd ya jala koma jang nyato jang wolbe compact not even that much but yena koma domandin dorong you see molbe move kanga diate nyameng nyimman compact crowd ti so lafitale ya understand ye mol men transport na wole siata UDP ye mol men transport na because of resources ite economy soto wole siata ite alon ne men spending konto altol NPP kol men bije al yalon ne baro jelle depensi ka mol bonina URR LRR CRR North Bank ali olon ne wolle be juruma den jang yalon UDP la rally Independence Stadium munati nante fango ngalonko tonya UDP ye moldol na fe naneke import from other regions bari West Coast le fintitaning KMC. Why? After bring Dabo Seita lawyer Dabo Seita mol state le ko musical event le fango keka mol state le to attend that santo pavilionol be mol jita jele mel in fact mba analyze la pralia understand majority of the people melbe siri wo pavilion o santo wol dol bije wolle nata botakar kabonan dula jangol to but before dabo fongome diamu la dol start taka jika say but dabo diamu ta pareta seita crowd men to tas je football filo be faring hani sign woning Adama Barrow lungomen na bala launchin kala jannata ka diamu crowd be fango be le seita mol mu me karakilingo be le seita. So what that speaks wala atina near importation okenang because don't be for wall si say but adame so ni wularo si da I say dulal jang fatale ka say le iketele support way is normal so where you will importation of from yitandile hani bi la ni bufa zone crowd ni ko be mela ja wularo edma fangol be si wodol be say la le abina mol bina banda jel because yemo jamale import nang so ka mol import ke la voter sol ka karakilimo be import nang ke dajalendi dula killing yamira ko ibina mol impression na jang crowd lale hani iman dula touch momoy analysis non ka nyul mem fo jang these are factual realities UDP bufa zono fandi nyame Adama Barrow ma fandi wo nyama Adama Barrow la crowd content dindingol bondi je folo dindi mesengol niol bondi je yena civil servant sol bondi je na police sol da bondi je security agent sol nying plain clothes sol yol be bondi je iba understand le ko Adama Barrow la crowd member to la je na fango ya ba understand le candidly manyan nam fango nene la because December 4th will speak the ballots will speak, the ballot will speak, and every Gambian ba understand that ko tonya. Nyul meta ifango nene la le meta politiko ke le meta ifango nene. Mafo molte bulu. Wala nyenti oppositions like UDP, you need to be very conscious, very smart to understand ko. Ila ke monle do lafa kang I surplus those sort of from APRC. So mo kana mo underrate, mo kana jutala. Bara ate fanang. Ila fita mutala nyama nkala kuol analyze wanyama, amantara wanyama, ate wanyama. Because nteta mfango nene la, sa kadung nene politiko kono, fan nene politiko, al wol bonde kuol kono. Al kana al fango nene, fan nene politiko la fereng. Al kana so wala. Wala nyinti. Ali conscious ko msulata molale again because munati nambitala election ola wala nyenti malon jumale winter ningalon jumale winter tan mota vote la amanjari election ola bani ajata adama fango be sonna kata election ola UDP be sonna mo malon jumale winter so wala ati nanka carte fay because ningalon jumale winter nda carte fay okela wo mari le sila automatically so wala nyenti ikok nyobori ngo manke follow kane bulo wulindi ka fo itele boy roke so al wuli al ye doku oke al be doku men kan liya ke you need more forces in the sense wo party ringol nyanda nala le kala UDP kan